Alright friends, welcome to yet another fresh topic and vlog today. Not a fresh topic but most discussed topic on the YouTube and internet today, right? Especially got to do with the fuels, what we are receiving or what we are being served in the market, of course at a cost. So yes, topic is about the ethanol percentage, what is coming in the fuel. I'm sure you guys are aware and have seen a lot of videos coming around in terms of everybody giving their say in terms of ethanol percentages in each of the fuel, starting with standard unleaded, then 90 XP95 or 95 octane fuel, and finally the 100 octane fuel. Yes, what should you go for, right? So 100 octane fuel, yes, the ultimate and the best for anything you have which is not E20, that is which is E5, E10, the super bikes especially, and also the old motorcycles like BS3, BS2, BS4, all of those old carbureted motorcycle. Yes, it is best you go for 100 octane fuel from especially from Indian Oil, which is it's about 149 rupees a liter. So now, is that affordable is the question, right? So all that depends, right, on your usage, amount of kilometers you do on that particular motorcycle, and all of those things, and availability, etc., etc., all of that. So now, what do you do about it, right? This problem is there. What do you do about it? So what I would suggest is to use good quality uh, petrol additives such as this. So yes, this is not a promotion video. I use this particular product on a regular basis. Once a month I use one bottle in a tank full of fuel. That's about it. So this is to keep the fuel system clean of any kind of deposits, any kind of issues what ethanol might be causing over a period of time. So definitely useful and helpful. So do try using additives, be it your E20 motorcycle or a non E20 motorcycle, but as much possible on the older motorcycles which are not E20 compliant, maybe try to use XP100 or 100 octane fuel as much you can, and how much it permits, right? So that is something which I wanted to share today. So definitely consider additives which are going to be useful in terms of maintaining your fuel system, your injectors, your throttle body, and all those critical components which can cost you if they go bad. So do keep that in mind. You don't need to go with Motul system cleaner, but you can use any of your choice system cleaner from a reputed brand. So that's a little bit which I wanted to share today, and look forward to hear from you. Thank you. Take care.